I would say that it's probably one of the best media programs in the Midwest right now. I mean, I've brought different people here to the media school and they're just baffled. They're blown away at how nice everything is here and how interactive our professors will be.
What sets us apart, number one, is the comprehensiveness that we do things with, so we really have a balance between study and practice and try to integrate those. So we have folks doing all different kinds of things.
So I got to come to IU and join the IDS and study abroad in London and find some amazing coworkers and friends that helped me grow through finding my career.
The most beneficial experience with the media school was doing the semester in LA program. I did 2 internships while I was there doing public relations.
I think obviously the first big opportunity that I've been given is right here in this room and with IUS TV and being able to help with a lot of sports broadcasts, whether it be news-style broadcasts, whether it be live broadcasts.
Through the media school's partnership with IU Athletics, I was able to get an internship working for the Mark Cuban Center for Sports Media and Technology. And through that, I was able to work in VR gaming in aspects I wasn't able to do in the classroom.
The things that we wanted to do is bring students here who know that they want to do investigative journalism and give them the opportunity to learn from our faculty how to do it and the techniques and styles involved in being an investigative journalist, but also have an outlet for their work.
One of the courses I teach, students are introduced to a variety of different genres. So we do a little news, we do some art, and students have the opportunity to make a music video or maybe try doing some stop motion animation, time-lapse. We also do mini documentaries, and we dabble in narrative style filmmaking.
It's really interesting to see the ways in which the different majors are starting to integrate into one another, recognizing that the skill sets across different majors have application.
We bring that together in a special way with a unique flavor that's Hoosier flavor, and the investment in IU behind us can't beat that.